In this video, we are going to be looking at how to convert our PDF to Microsoft Word document. Converting PDF file to Microsoft Word document. Now, first of all, let's open a PDF file. This is a PDF file, this is a PDF file. So I'm going to click on this PDF file. Once I open this PDF file, you observe that it's filled with text. You can see that is filled with text. So I'm going to convert this to Microsoft Word document. The PDF file can't be edited, you can't remove anything, you can't add anything. But in Microsoft Word document, you can edit, you can also as well as add something to it. So I'm going to close this now, and I'm going to open my Microsoft Word document. Once I open my Microsoft Word document, I'm going to go to the PDF file. I'll click and hold so that I can carry it around. You can see I'm carrying it around. So I'll drop it in the Microsoft Word environment. Once I drop it, a dialog box pops up saying Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it might not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contains lots of graphics. So all you need to do, you understand here, is that it's going to take time depending on the number of pages you have in the PDF file. And it might not look like original PDF because of baby pictures and the graphics that are in the PDF file. So all you need to do is to come here and hit on what? OK. Once you click on OK, the conversion process starts. So we just wait for it to load up. Okay, look at it. You can see this is the MS Word document now for that PDF file. So to be sure of that, I'm going to click on the PDF file again so that you can compare both of them. So I'll take it up. So you can see the PDF file STS478, STS478. So I can easily edit. You come here, you see that you have 4 rows here, 3 rows here. This is course duration. So you come here, you see the course duration here. So I can easily move this course duration up so that it can move to the first page, or you can easily increase the ruler. So you can see that, and you can do a lot of things with this document. You can do a lot of things to it. So I can easily make it increase it or change the casing. You can see that you can do a lot of things with this. You can give it bold, you can move bold, you can make it italics, you can even give it font color. So you can edit this. You can do anything, everything that is being done in Microsoft Word to it. So you can see that. I can see all this. You can see that. So just edit the little things that will be changed. Just minor changes that you observe. So you just edit it. Now you can work with this Microsoft Word document. You can edit maybe you want to add more topics to your document, or you want to remove some topics, or you want to do anything. You can just convert it from PDF to Word document instantly instead of typing it again. So let's open another one so that you can see it again. Probably you missed the steps. So this is another PDF file. This is another PDF file. So all you need to do, like I said, open Microsoft Word. If you open the Microsoft Word, you just drag and drop. So you just drag and drop it. Okay. So this is the PDF file. Just take it and drop it here. Once you drop it, the dialog box pops up. You click on OK, and it converts to Microsoft Word document. That is just as simple as that. So once I think this has longer pages, that is why it's taking longer time to convert. It's not the time it takes 5 pages to convert that it takes 100 pages to convert. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe, hit the subscribe button, drop down the comment in the comment section on any type of video, any video you want to learn on PowerPoint, Excel, and Microsoft Word, and I'll be willing to do that for you. Okay, it has converted. So I'm going to open the PDF file so that we can compare both of them. You can see that. So this is the PDF file. The PDF file, wow, it still has the graphic. You can see that it still has the graphic, but in this case you can notice that the hand is not showing. I don't think the hand is not okay. It's showing anyway. Okay, so we still have that. Still have the graphics. So just compare. You just compare that. You see there's a lot of space in between, so you can just okay, you can just reduce the spacing. Highlight it, remove space. Okay, once you remove space, you can see that it's pretty cool now. So we can do a lot of things with this. You can see the line, you can carry it. Yeah, you can carry it and move it towards where it's supposed to be. So you can see that. So we can do a lot of things with it. Just arrange it the way you prefer it to be. You can see that. You can delete it also. You can delete. This is a footnote. You can delete the footnote. Once you delete the footnote, it goes off. You can see that. Okay, so you can delete the footnote. You can change the footnote. The footnote is no longer there. So this is how you can convert a PDF file to Word document. So you can rearrange it, stuff like that. So you can see that the tables are still well arranged. I think I saw the tables are still well arranged. So you can just go through and know if there is anything that is not arranged the way you want it. So this is basically how to open Microsoft Word documents. To convert, this is how you can convert PDF to Microsoft Word documents. So I'm going to close this. Another way you can do this is let me show you another document in your downloads. You can go to downloads and get more PDF documents. So I can just click on this. Once I click on this, I get it again. You can see the dialog box pops up again. You click on OK. Once you click on OK, it's going to start converting. You can see it here, it's converting. Look at it, it's converting over here. You can see that. So it has converted. You can see that. Protected view, be careful, files from the internet, blah blah blah. So you can see that you can actually edit this. You can edit it. You can see that you can delete. Okay, you can see enable editing. You have to enable editing at this point. Okay, you click on OK again. So you can see that once you have enabled editing, you can now edit your work. So you just come here, you can edit anything you want to, you can change, you can ignore some things. Okay, you can see that. So this is basically how you can convert PDF Word to Microsoft documents. Thanks for watching. You can delete, you can get it back,